Hello friends and family, welcome back to our channel TV. Okay, what you're seeing here, what do you think about it? This is chicken and yam pepper soup. So I hope you stay tight and I'll show you how I realized this recipe. I want to use this opportunity to thank you for coming back to view us, and if you're coming anew, I appreciate your coming and I hope you do subscribe. And when you subscribe, don't forget to put on the notification bell to enable you get the notification of any video we put up there. Okay, so thank you so much. As you sit tight, guys, look at it and see how this recipe is made. Thank you so much. I love you. So this is the chicken I'm using. It's the hard type of chicken. See, I've already deceased it and I've washed it very well. Okay, always wash your chicken very well. I've cleaned them. I'm using two of it. So this is it. So the next thing I'm going to add is the spices. This is the pepper soup spices I'm using. Okay, and adding some salt for taste. Guys, I prefer using my ordinary hand to add salt to my food. If I don't do it like that, if I use a spoon, I will definitely make a mistake. So I add some salt. This is a seasoning cube. I'm using. Add it. So the next thing we're adding here is the pepper, the fresh spicy pepper I'm using. Guys, I don't use too much of pepper because my kids, they don't eat when it's too hot. I love it myself and my husband, but themselves, they don't eat when it's too hot. And of course my scent leaf. I add scent leaf. I've washed it. It's a dry type I got from my country. You know, we used to dry it before we come. We'll bring it here, so to preserve it. That's what I'm adding now. Cover it to boil. It's going to boil for some minutes, for about maybe 20 minutes or more. I'm going to let you guys know exactly how many minutes I'll boil it. Okay, so we'll have to boil it for some time before we'll now add the yam. All right, so boil this chicken for about 12 minutes now, and if you watch, you will see that there is water inside, and if you were observant enough, I didn't add any water, but look at water inside. So I don't advise you to, even when you're seasoning any meat at all, please don't add water at the initial time. So look at it, I've added no water to it. And another thing I want to let you know is that if you were observant enough, you would have noticed that I didn't add onion to this recipe, and I'm not going to add it because I don't like the taste of onions in my pepper soup. Anything pepper soup, I don't use onions at all. So look at it. We're still going to boil it for a few minutes, then a few more minutes before I'll add water. You know, making yam pepper soup, when pepper soup you need enough of the sauce, so we're be adding more water later. So over here, while waiting for the meat to cook, for the chicken to cook, I'm going to cut the yam. I'm going to peel it. So this is how I peel the yam. So now I'm going to give it to the, I'm going to give it the size I want it to have before it goes into the pot. See the size I've given to it? Look at the size. So that is how I'm going to cut all of it. Not too big, not too small. Anyway, it's according to your taste. It's according to your taste how you want the size to be for you. But for me, this is the size I am giving it. So guys, look at the chicken. I've boiled it for about 30 minutes now. You see the size has reduced because it has lost the water in it. So at this point now, I'm going to add more water. I'm going to add more water, okay, and cook it for like 10 more minutes before I'll add the yam. Still, before we add the yam, I'm going to add this quantity of red oil. It's about half a teaspoon of red oil, okay. It's optional. If you don't like, don't add it to your own, but my mom taught me this way. Adding a little quantity of red oil to it, and my grated ginger and garlic, which I almost skipped. It. Normally I was supposed to add it at the beginning when I started boiling the meat, but it's okay, still not bad. The last but not the least is our yam. Adding the yam. So we're going to now cook. You cook it until the yam is soft enough, according to how you want it. So that's it. Boil until you get your desired softness of the yam. For the chicken, it's super okay. So guys, let's see how far. Wow. Let's see, because the aroma coming from this pot is already throwing me off balance. Let's see how far the yam has cooked. I think it should be okay now. Oh yes. Look at it, guys. I think it's it's soft enough. So yeah, we come to the end of this. So good. We come to the end of this recipe preparation. Okay, so if you love what you have watched, don't forget to leave your comments, like this video, and share it. Feel free, very free to share it out wherever you want to, okay? And tell me what you think about it. Have you ever made this recipe, and is it the same way you make it, or let me know what you have in mind, okay? Thank you so much. I appreciate your having come. God bless you and see you soon in my next video. Have a nice time